Why choose affiliate marketing as your online business? There are many online businesses coming out today. You might have seen a website selling ebooks or different kinds of services. With so many online businesses coming out with selling the same products, these businesses cannot succeed with proper advertising. This is where you come in. You can offer to advertise for them or sign up as an affiliate. An affiliate program works by giving you a commission for every product they sold to every referral you directed to their website. Some affiliate programs will offer pay per click. This means that if a visitor from your website clicks the link or banner of the company you posted in your site, they will pay you, if different people or users of your website make the clicks. Since there are so many online businesses wanting to sign up websites as an affiliate, you will never run out of clients. There will always be new online businesses that will open up. If you do affiliate marketing right, you will never lose. Affiliate marketing can be such a great business, especially for people who are considering starting an online business at home. With good internet traffic, your earnings in affiliate programs can be enough to make ends meet. Affiliate marketing is a great business for every type of people. Whether you are an average person with a regular job or a student who wants to make extra cash, or whether if you are a stay-at-home parent who wants to help with the household expenses, affiliate marketing is perfect for everyone. Affiliate marketing allows you to start your home business right away. All you need is a website and an investment of a little time, a little effort and a little money to get good internet traffic in your website. Sometimes if you are good in promoting your website, you need to invest no money at all. Here are some of the reasons why affiliate marketing can be a great business. To start with, you need no actual products or services to sell. Most people start their online business selling products or services. This can lead to spending more money, depending on what type of product or service they sell. In affiliate marketing, all you have to do is create a website with specific topic and post a link of your affiliate that sells products or services that is relevant to your website topic. For example, you can create a website that discusses scuba diving equipments. You then put up a link in your website of other websites that sells different kinds of scuba equipments. Depending on what kind of website you set up, you need no actual customer service. This means you have no need to employ people, therefore, saving money for salary and of course, office space. You are your own boss. In addition, since that is the case, you get to choose what website you want to sign up as an affiliate. Remember that you have to choose a business that suits your website. Affiliate marketing can give you lots of free time. What you need to do is just set up your website, advertise it and set up your affiliate program. After that, you have all the time in the world to do whatever pleases you. However, you should also check your website and update it from time to time to keep visitors interested in your website. For example, your affiliates' products have upgraded, you also need to update your topics regarding the new features and products. Once you have a good amount of internet traffic and subscriber list, you become an affiliate magnet. Businesses who depend largely on affiliate marketing to promote internet traffic to their website will often offer you to sign up for them as an affiliate. Sometimes, some businesses will even offer you a bonus by just signing you up as an affiliate. These are just some of the reasons why affiliate marketing is a great business. There are many possibilities in affiliate marketing. All you have to do is be creative in promoting your website. Try to advertise your website by writing articles and posting them in article publishing websites. This is a great way to increase targeted internet traffic in your website. In addition, keep in mind that internet traffic means more visitors who will likely buy the products your affiliate program is promoting. For you to be successful in this field, make your website as attractive as possible. You not only have to get good web traffic, but you also need keep visitors coming back again.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.